सबको है और समाज में यदि रिकग्निशन उनको लाइफ टाइम में मिलता है तो उनको अच्छा लगता है और दूसरे लोग भी इससे प्रेरित होते हैं। तो मेरे हिसाब से नवभारत टाइम्स का ये प्रयास बहुत ही सराहनीय है।
और सर, ये जो इनिशिएटिव है नवभारत टाइम्स का, इसके बारे में आप क्या कहेंगे?
देखिए, नवभारत टाइम्स तो हमारी जीवन लाइफ है। हम लोग हिंदी भाषी हैं, इसी को पढ़ते पढ़ते हम बड़े हो गए। जब तक इस पेपर को नहीं पढ़ें हमें चैन नहीं मिलता है। इसका संपादकीय का वो जो पृष्ठ है वो पूरा पृष्ठ शुरू से लेके आखिरी लाइन तक जब तक मैं नहीं पढ़ता हूँ मैं दूसरा कोई काम नहीं करता हूँ। तो ये तो हमारे लिए एक जीवन का अभिन्न अंग है और इसके बिना सब कुछ ऐसे लगता है, यदि नहीं किसी दिन पढ़े तो लगता है कि आज कुछ मिस हो गया।
आखिरी सवाल, क्या आपको लगता है इस टाइप के अवार्ड्स और होने चाहिए?
ये प्रोत्साहन करने की चीज़ है, लोगों को इससे प्रेरणा मिलती है, प्रोत्साहन मिलता है अच्छे काम करने की। यदि रिकग्निशन हम करेंगे, हम मरने के बाद लोगों का रिकग्निशन करते हैं, लेकिन जिंदे जी उनके अच्छे कामों का रिकग्निशन हम करना शुरू करें तो बहुत सारे और भी लोग अच्छे काम करने के लिए जुड़ेंगे। तो ये अवार्ड इस तरीके के और होने चाहिए, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है और इसके लिए मैं नवभारत टाइम्स को बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ देता हूँ।
I think it's a very good initiative. It will encourage the young people to see, and they will also work hard and strive to do something good for the society and for themselves.
Akhilesh Chaube was someone who was awarded at a very young age for his exemplary achievements in his professional journey. Along with his practice of law, he has contributed and stood out in the real estate sector.
What does this award really mean to you?
It means a lot for me because I'm just a 37-year-old person, and it's a kind of launching pad for me. It gives recognition in the field of business where people start recognizing you, and this can give great power to fly ahead.
You rightly pointed out that at a very young age you're receiving this award. What do you think you've done, or what is that one thing that has made you win this award?
See, hard work and honesty, because I worked around 15 years. I'm into practice, and along with the professionalism, I'm also doing charitable work for the poor people of the society. I'm fighting cases for the people who are behind the bars and who are not having ample amount to engage a lawyer or a counsel in the courts. And apart from that, I'm into business also. We are constructing slum rehabilitation schemes where we are providing houses for the poor people. So all these kind of works give us thought that I should be a part of this award, and I'm very thankful to Navbharat Times and the jury of Navbharat Times who chosen me as an awardee.
What is it for you today? From here on, what does this award make you want to do?
I think this award has given me power to fly in the business world. Along with that, also that the responsibility has also increased toward the society. Once you are a recognized person in the society, surely your responsibilities are high, and you will have to be more particular, more perfect in your work towards society.
Uttam Jain is someone who has given his all to his business of pharma. Along with a keen interest in life-saving medications, his interest lies greatly in health, and NBT awarded him for his outstanding contribution to the social good of the society.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate you on this award.
Thank you.
What meaning does it hold for you?
It encourages us to do the more activity, social, religious, and do more charity and everything.
What do you think is that one reason which has made you win this award?
I feel that it is because of my sincere efforts towards my profile as well as my business, and all the activity we are carrying out. That may be the reason for that.
The final award of the evening went to Deen Dayal Murarka for his efforts in the social welfare of people. Along with the success in his business, he has been a change maker and was recognized for his efforts by the NBT Udan Awards 2014.
10 years you've been in the business and today you have won this award. So do you think all your hard work has been answered with this award?
Definitely, ma'am. What happened, these types of awards always encourages us in a life to do better, better and better. What happens, madam? We goes on doing our job sincerely, honestly. If some organization, that too like Navbharat Times, Economic Times, if they give a small pat at our shoulders, definitely it creates a better environment for us. It gives us immense pleasure.
What do you have to say about this initiative by the Navbharat Times to honor the Hindi Bhashi community?
It's a very good initiative, and Navbharat Times, as Sundar Chandji Thakur has told us in the very beginning, a secret of the success of Navbharat Times since last 64 years, it is remained number one.
I'm really excited, thrilled, and I'm feeling great. I'm really proud of my dad that he has been awarded by NBT for this Udan award.
With 64 years of excellence in journalism, NBT Udan Awards 2014 was a success with all the eminent personalities present to celebrate the spirit of achievement.
Well, that was all from the NBT Udan Awards 2014, and we hope you enjoyed watching this show as much as we did in bringing it to you. That's all for now, but you keep watching ET Now.